Okay, so in this video we are going to cover how to add a quiz to your video, and then based on the user's response it can jump to a correct or incorrect screen that we've also placed in the same video. So the first step is to add chapter points to your video. So if I scroll along here, I've created a little animation that sort of introduces the theme of a quiz, and then when it fades to white, that's where I'm going to add a quiz. So I'm going to put a chapter point in here that just says quiz. Hit done, and then further along the video I've got a correct and incorrect screen. So this is the incorrect screen. Add a chapter point here saying wrong answer. Hit done, and then further along the video I've also got a correct screen, which is just here. So another chapter point that says correct screen. Hit done. And then we will scroll back to where the quiz is, and then we'll insert a quiz. So you'll see on the timeline at the bottom here, the toolbar, quiz icon. Simply select that, and you are then presented with the quiz option menu screen. So if I just type a generic question in here, let's go for what colour is the sky? Let's go for 3 options, green. Select choice rather than input. Input is when you want the user to actually type a physical response in, but for this one we're just going to go for a multiple choice. So green, red, and the final correct answer is blue. To select blue as the correct answer, you'll see the little radio button over here on the left. Select that, and then that will be your correct answer. Now when the user selects any one of these 3 responses, what we're going to do is we're going to tailor the quiz and jump it to the specific parts of the video. So it's effectively adaptive quizzing. If you go up into the options panel, you'll see you've got pass, fail, actions. Select that and it will be present you with a new screen. So on pass, we can actually jump to a specific point of time in the video, but what it'll also do is if you put the chapter points in like we have, you can actually select the wrong and right answer. So this is on pass, so this is when they got it correct, so I'm going to select the correct answer. And then similarly on fail, when they've selected the wrong answer, we want them to be able to jump to the wrong section. So if you've not actually added the chapter points, you can put the timestamps in here if you know these, but I'd always say it's much easier to put chapter points in because you can work out where you are in the video. Select that and then simply hit submit, and don't forget to hit done, and it will save our quiz here. Let's test how this works, make sure we've got it all working correctly. So we'll view it on the landing page, press play, and we will skip to the quiz section in the video rather than watching the whole video. Here's our quiz. Let's select a wrong answer firstly, red, hit submit. You'll see it's actually brought up an extra dialog box here called review your answers. You can toggle this actually on and off in the settings, and I'll show you that in a minute. But if you wasn't doing the adaptive quizzing, this would actually show that the user has got the question wrong, and if I hit done it should take me to the wrong section, which it has. If I jump back to the quiz once more and select the right answer, which is of course is blue, hit submit, it will probably come up with a review screen again, which it does, and then hit done, and you'll see it actually displays the correct answer. So that's all working perfectly. I'll quickly show you the review screen because in this kind of style of video it makes sense not to have that review screen there because we've actually kind of created that review screen within this video itself. So if I go to edit and select the options again, you'll see a section here called review screen. Select that and you can disable showing the review screen by unselecting that tick box there and hitting submit. And that's it. That's how to basically add a quiz into HapYak and then do some adaptive quizzing so people can jump to different parts of the video based on the responses that the user has inputted into that quiz. Hopefully that was useful. If you've got any questions or requests for future videos, drop me a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.